Are you thinking about rebuilding your website from scratch? Before you do, hit the pause button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decide in less than 10 minutes whether you actually need a full rebuild or if your current site just needs a cleanup. Because most small business owners don't need a new website. They need a better foundation. And that's a big difference. Here's a quick note. Check the pinned comment below. I listed the 5-question website test I use with clients. You can walk through it yourself after this video. Now let's break this down. Here's what usually happens. Your site feels slow. It looks dated. Maybe it's hard to update. Maybe you're embarrassed to send people to it. So your first thought is, I need to start over. But rebuilding without diagnosing the real problem is expensive and risky. Fix the foundation before you add features. Let's walk through the 5 questions I use before I ever recommend a rebuild. Question 1. Is the structure broken? Is your site structurally broken? Is your navigation confusing? Are there too many menu items? Is there no clear call to action? Does the mobile version look messy? If people can't figure out where to click, design doesn't matter. Structure drives conversions. If your layout is chaotic and pages are scattered everywhere, that might point toward a deeper redesign. But if the structure is mostly solid, you probably don't need a rebuild. You need refinement. Is it just slow? This one's huge. Most people think slow website equals bad design. Not true. Slow usually means a cheap hosting plan, too many plugins, no caching, huge images, a page builder that's overloading and slowing down the site. When I audit the site, I look at hosting first, then plugin count, then speed setup. Performance and security come before cosmetic upgrades. A slow site is often a cleanup issue, not a rebuild issue. Question 3. Is it a messaging problem? Does your homepage clearly say what you do in 5 seconds or less? Is your offer obvious? Is there one clear next step? If your messaging is unclear, no redesign will fix that. Design can't fix positioning. Sometimes you don't need a new website. You need cleaner words. Question 4. Is your theme outdated? Ask yourself. Is your theme still supported? Does it receive updates? Does it break when WordPress updates? If your theme is abandoned or unstable, that's a foundation crack. Security and backups are non-negotiable. Patching becomes risky. If the core system isn't stable, patching becomes risky. That's when rebuilding might make sense. Question 5. Are you fighting your site every week? Are updates breaking things? Are forms unreliable? Are backups unclear? Are you afraid to log in? If your website feels fragile, that's a systems problem. And sometimes rebuilding with a simpler stack is the smarter long-term move. Simpler systems are stronger systems. A client came to me ready to scrap her entire site. She runs a small wellness business. She's smart, capable. She told me, I hate my website. It's slow. It feels messy. I think I just need to start over. So I looked at it. Here's what I found. Cheap, overloaded hosting. 32 plugins installed. No caching. Huge uncompressed images. And way too many menu items. But her structure, it was solid. Her offers, clear. Her brand, really strong. She didn't need a rebuild. I upgraded her hosting. I removed 14 plugins, added proper caching. I optimized her images, and I simplified her navigation. Her load time dropped by more than half. No redesign, no $8,000 rebuild. She just needed a cleanup. That's why I always test before I tear down. Let's talk about when you should rebuild. Sometimes a rebuild is the right call. Here's when. Your theme is unsupported. The structure is beyond repair. You completely changed your audience. You're doing a major rebrand. The tech stack is tangled beyond cleanup. If the foundation is cracked, rebuilding makes more sense. But it should be strategic, not emotional. Here's when you should fix it instead. Most of the time, here's what's usually needed. Better hosting, plugin cleanup, speed optimization, simple navigation, clear messaging, and proper backups. Cosmetic frustration is not a structure failure. That's a big mindset shift. Here's how I approach every site. Step 1, full audit. Step 2, stabilize hosting. Step 3, clean up plugins. Step 4, improve speed. Step 5, clarify messaging. And step 6, only then, discuss redesign. Rebuild is the last option, not the first. Because tearing down is really easy. Building smart is harder. If you're not sure which camp you're in, drop a comment below. Tell me one thing that frustrates you about your website. And if you want more calm, practical WordPress advice without the tech overwhelm, hit my subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Remember, you don't need a new website. You need the right diagnosis. And that's how you take the stress of WordPress off your plate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.